Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video with me, Elizabeth Bishop. Today's video, I've got a quick tip on how you can share your files with others directly from Autodesk Fusion. So let's jump into Fusion and check out what that looks like. So this here, I've got a design 3D printer, and what I want to do is be able to share this file with someone else who doesn't have access to Autodesk Fusion. And the way we can do this is by sharing a file link that can be viewed in a web browser. So you're going to head up to File at the top, click Share File Link. And this opens up this dialog box here, and you can toggle on this switch here, which allows you to copy and paste this file link into a browser. You can also add additional settings, such as allowing the item to be downloaded. This will give someone direct access to a copy of your Fusion file. And you can also add a password if you want someone to be able to access that. So just turning those two settings off, I can copy that file link there. Okay, so you're going to head into your preferred browser, and then you can copy that URL into the bar there. And this will open up a online version of that file that we have shared using that live link. And people can view this, you can look around the parts, you can do various different things such as exploding the model, and you can also use this to see various different aspects within the model. So there we go, a quick tip on how to share a live link to your file in Autodesk Fusion. If you've got any questions, please do post them in the comments section below. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.